Hey, I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and today I'm going to be talking about the three types of mortgage notes that we invest in: performing, non-performing, and reperforming. That's right, folks. There are three types of mortgage notes that are available for us to invest in: performing, non-performing, and reperforming. Today, we're going to talk about the performing notes. What is a performing note? A performing note is a note where the borrower is making their payments every month just like they're supposed to. And they've been doing so for a period of time. The period of time in which they've been doing that is called seasoning. In other words, if they've been paying their payments on time for the last 12 months, then they have 12 months of seasoning. We buy performing notes because we like the cash flow that comes every single month. Some people call it mailbox money. So that's what a performing note is. If you want to know about non-performing and reperforming notes, keep watching our videos, because in this frequently asked questions series, we're going to answer all those questions. To learn more, go to investbrilliantly.com. and you'll learn a lot more about investing in mortgage notes. You can also reach out to us for a free 30-minute consultation. Again, I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor. I'll see you next time.